Those are 5 big reasons for me when I'm out hunting and I'm looking at ground blinds. That's what I'm looking for. Hey guys, welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Eric, and today we're going to be reviewing our Ameristep ground blind. Alright guys, I wanted to show you a real life situation. So I actually just walked out the back door. I walked out into the woods, and I'm going to set the camera down. I'm going to unpack this and I'm going to set it up just like if I was to walk out my back door and go out in the woods and go hunting with it. So I want to show you a real life situation as to how this works, and I'll give you my thoughts afterwards. Alright, first off, nice packaging. I like the sack that it's in here. Usually I wouldn't be talking while I was doing this because I don't want to scare the deer. We're going to unfold her, guys. There we go. I'm going to start with the top. Let's walk around this guy. Like I said, it was the first time I brought it out of the package, so yep, still got the tag on here. We got the door here. Very nice, very nice. Oh, there's no window on this side. That's odd. And there's no side window here either, but these windows look real nice. And this is a cool feature. I haven't seen this one yet. There's a bump out here. On the inside, you can put extra stuff up here. If you can see that bump out. Yeah. Okay, so we got windows on this side, and we got windows on this side. So we got windows on 3 sides. It's just the one back side. It does have the door, so you can open the door, and it also has a bump out on this side too. So let's go inside, and I'm gonna open up the windows, okay? All right, so it has a loop in the roof material up here, and there's a hook that's on the end of this window, so you can bring the whole window right up, which I like, because a lot of times there's nothing up here to hook to. So I do like that. You can take this and just hook it up top. Then the corners come down. Corner in a corner. It gives you that wide range of view here, so I do like that. Yeah, well constructed blind. I'm digging it. There we go. Oh, it's got a pocket on this side, and then it's got a pocket on this side as well, and then it's got the bump outs. There's a bump out there and a bump out on this side. And I like that because, you know, when you're in here in a chair and you're trying to be quiet, it's hard with all your gear. So if you have a backpack, heaters, chairs, you know, a little end table, something like that, it's very hard to not bump it, make noise, scare wildlife away. So that's a nice little spot. It's almost like I would call it a hunting blind closet. It's cool. So yeah, guys, can you see? Very roomy. You could fit I would definitely fit 2 people in here comfortably, I would say. Definitely roomy. It's got the shoot through mesh, and you can take that up or down as you like. I like it, guys. I think this is a nice, very nice blind. Hope we are successful in it. This is an Ameristep blind, and I will put a link down below so you guys can check it out. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but just an honest review of somebody that's going to use one out in the woods and hopefully get a deer with it this year. All right, let's go for one last walk around this guy. I think it'll do real well for us this year. I will definitely post some videos with me in it, because that makes a big difference to me when I'm out looking for hunting blinds, pop-up blinds. I want to know what the feel is inside the blind, and I'm using it, you know, is it quiet? Is it roomy? Can I see out the windows? Can I, put the windows up and down easily? Can I get in and out of it easily? Those are 5 big reasons for me when I'm out hunting and I'm looking at ground blinds. That's what I'm looking for. So thanks for coming along, guys. I will link this ground blind down below. I will update you accordingly, and I appreciate you following along. We'll catch you on the next one.